Hello everybody, this is a bit of a strange video. We're actually at Liddon Hill, which is a racetrack down in Kent, right at the bottom of Kent. We're literally like near Dover. We're here because we've got an R53 Mini. That's the Mini that we've got for track car giveaways, and it's like a proper sort of track spec, club sport sort of. It's sick. Mods in this car are absolutely incredible. So we've got that, and we thought instead of doing a on-the-road review, we're going to take it to what it's built for, and we're going to take it on a track, and we're going to do some sort of a review for you on the track. Now this Mini's got like it's got GP2 brakes, it's got Megane 250 calipers, it's full setup. The guy we got it off is an absolute track addict, so I'm excited to see what it's like. Now I haven't driven this car. I drove this car from London down to Kent, but like at 50 mile an hour, I had all my bags in the back, so I have no idea how this car handles or anything. So the first couple laps I'm going to be taking it real slow, but we've got most of the day here. There's a Mini that we're going to be giving away for you guys, so this would be a better showcase than driving on the road. We're going to take it on track. We've got all the cameras set up, so we're going to have a fun day. Okay, so we're just lining up now. The best thing about this Mini is when you press traction control off, there's a little helmet here which lights up, which is like obviously like a racetrack helmet. That is sick, that is so cool. So we're going to do I think we've got like 2 sighting laps first, which is good because I've never been around this track ever. And as you say, I've never driven this car, so I'm going to be quite careful with the heel and toe in and stuff at first. Right, so couple of sighting laps. Mate, what is that Beamer doing, mate? Didn't have his helmet on or anything, like. So this is a dangerous one. We're having a lot of speed through here. A lot of speed, but that's a lot tighter than I thought it would be. Nice and wide. Keep it nice and stable. Kiss this one, then power there. And then really I'd want to be coming nice and wide here, and then chopping in. Nice and wide again. Now apparently the brakes are the best thing about this car. Nice on the brakes. My fucking helmet keeps flying down. I hate this helmet. Fuck it, I'm going to keep it down. I really don't know the car, but oh my god, it carries so much speed! Right, so we've just come off from our first session. Just getting used to the car really. I kept like going for a gear that never existed, because obviously I kept thinking the gearbox was going because it weren't going in second, but I'm just going way too far over trying to put it in second. I feel like I need to let more tyre pressure out because I'm a little bit floaty on some of the corners, and when I'm on like 24 or something, it is hot, so obviously they're going to jump up pressure quite quickly. Their Subarus just fucking blew up on the first session. But they said, no worries, we're going to go and get another one, so they're going to go and get another Scooby. So, East Kent Subaru, legends. Brakes are insane. The fluid is unreal in this car. The pads are unreal, the calipers are unreal, additional, everything's great. It's just, I've not got the confidence in it yet, so I just need to build it up a little bit more. Only thing is just the tyres, but I know that they're unbelievable. I know they're unbelievable tyres, so drop a little bit more pressure, or just send it more so I get more heat. But I'm just getting a bit of the tan because the sun is absolutely boiling. But this is the car, it's fun, man. It's really, really, really fun. The guy who had it wants it to be a bit more club sport, not full track spec. So as you say, the carpet's still in here, the interior is still in here, and it's still got the standard wheel. Me personally, I would keep the carpets, but I would change the wheel. I'm just not getting much grip with this. It's quite a bit too, it's not getting much grip with this wheel, to be fair. I'm not really getting much feedback from it. So I would, if it was my car, I'd definitely put a different wheel in, maybe a deep dish one, because the seat position is really good in terms of leg, like the leg, but my arms are just a little bit too far than what I want. I like being up close so I get more feel. Right, here we go, session 2, lads. We're down on 24 PSI. Mate, the brakes are so good. I don't know why I'm not using them. I'm understanding like mad on this corner. Right, let's use the brakes more. Right, we're getting some heat everywhere in places now, so that's good. Terrible line lead. So here it needs to come wider later. We're turning nice and wide. There we go. Nice and wide turning. Boys, we're reeling them in. Hopefully we're getting this lap. We've closed down quite a big distance. I'm going to get in this lap, boys. You're mine, come here. Come on, you're mine. I want you. You were dicking me on the first lap. We're getting this corner, boys. We're going to get in this corner. We're going to do lay on the brakes. Go, 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 go. Told you, boys. The brakes. The brakes. Oh, it's got one done. Too much power. Yes. Don't worry, boys. I'm gonna take him here. He's got too much power, boys. But he's got no brakes. He's not got Megane 250 calipers. Oh no! Oh, I can't wait. We would have booked him. I counted it. I'm taking that one, boys. We was literally a full lap behind him. We got him in 2 laps, so we closed it down half a lap each lap, and we got him. He took us on that straight, but that was it. One more lap, he would have been done. Okay, so I was just waiting there, going out again. The group. We're just gonna quickly run over the specs for the car. So it's got a Pro Alloy intercooler. It's got 17% pulley, which means basically more boost. JCW intake, carbon Cusco strut base, BC coilovers, adjustable rear arms, which you can see them underneath the car, nice and orange, sorry. What do you mean? The cool tyres, cool wheels, cool exhaust. Megane RS250 calipers. It's got Mark 4 Megane 250 calipers, Mini R56 GP2 discs, custom braided lines, RBF 600 fluid, RC6 pads. It's got some cool shit, lads, and obviously that cool seat, which is actually like super comfortable. Like, it's actually nice to drive just around town. It's quite annoying not having another seat, but obviously it had a purpose, this car. Well, it depends what you want it for. A lot of people just come doing this on their own. I personally like to bring passengers and stuff, so I'd get another seat in there. Doesn't have to be anything fancy, just a standard one. But yeah, I've not got much fuel left. I've got 3 bars of fuel, so I'm going to do my next session. Do the next session, and then there's a golf like 5 minutes away, so I'm going to finish the session, go and get some more fuel, and come back. Usually I always just like run out of fuel and just call it a day, so I don't want to do too much to the car, but fuck it, boys, this can take it. This loves it. This is what it's made for, and I'm not going to cut an experience like this short. It's a beautiful day, not the smoothest track in the world. I'm not going to cut it short. I'm having a great day, and I'm going to carry on. I'm going to make the most out of it, because I have 6 sessions and I've done 2 now, so I've got 4 left. My Subaru friend's up my ass! Nice, nice! Catching these 2 guys up! Fucking hell, whoa! Fucking hell, he went to the back of him then! He pulls away in the straights, but especially in the braking zones. Mate, let me pass! Fuck's sake! We'll get him here. He takes a terrible line, so. There we go. Mate, these brakes are unreal, literally, stopping distance, I'm the best one on the track. I'm keeping that Scooby away, and that's a high spec Scooby, so I'm happy with that. Keep him away, Lee, keep him away! No! I've got him on the braking zone, don't worry. Ah, get fucked. No, I'm too wide, it's gonna do me. Oh, it's the checkered flag, no! Woo! Right, so it's going to go and get a bit more fuel. I'm not going to do the whole all 6. I might do 1, maybe 2 more. No, I don't want to absolutely stress the hell out of the car. But it's just annoying because I'm getting used to the car. Each lap I'm getting faster and faster. And it's getting to the point where the only things overtaking me are like the fucking caterers and shit. So get this fucking caterer on my ass! So, and that's not because the car's silly fast. It's just the brakes. Like, the closing distance I can do with the brakes is insane. Like, you've seen it then, like, I'm at least like 100 meters in front of people, and I close the gap down instantly, like just boom, I can brake so late. And it's not sketchy either. A lot of front wheel drive cars, when you do that, the back's all over the place, it's so planted. So the braking's incredible. If this car had like 250 horsepower, then it'd be fucking unstoppable. The only thing to let down is just literally the straights, but at the end of the day, you know, it's a 1.6 supercharged. It's not meant to be the quickest car in the entire world, but no, it's so much fun to drive. I'm thinking that I'm gonna get one now. I think I really want to just get some fuel. I really want one. So the guy who owns the big car group who go out first, they've got a load of cars. So the last session that I was out in, I kind of was like on my own for like so many laps, and it was kind of boring, but he watches the channel, so he said, well, he's let me go out with these guys. So this is the group that there's like that mad Corvettes, and there's some really good cars in here, so should be a bit more fun to have a bit of competition. So look at the 250 Megane, and hopefully it should be much better viewing. Let's catch the field, boys. Here we go. It's time. Chase, boys. So there guys, I've got to get back to London. I actually didn't think I was that far away from London, but I am about an hour and 45, and we're actually meeting we're actually meeting James, the guy who won the Evo, so we're handing over the Evo keys to him on Track Car Giveaway. So I'm gonna have to get going now. Hopefully I've got enough fuel to get back, because I can't be asked putting more money in it. But no, so I'm gonna have to get going, but there's only one more session left anyway, and I was gonna end it on that. I didn't want to absolutely rinse the whole car, you know, just for my sake, because I've got enough for the video now. But great day, everyone there was absolutely so nice. Shout out to Hazard Retros. So they're a car group based down here in Kent, and they came over, the owner came over and said, oh, we watch your channel, do you want to come and you want to come out in our group? So huge thank you to them, really nice guys. Right there, there's Liddon Hill. Surface is a bit slippery, didn't really get much grip, but yeah. So for now I'm gonna end the video here, but I just want to say I really want one. Like, I really want one, and I tell you, I think I am gonna get one. This is so much fun to drive, and I always thought they'd be horrible inside, but they're so nice in here. It's not like the Clios, they don't feel like tinny and like shitty inside. You don't feel like you're actually sitting in the car. Obviously I know the one that I get isn't going to be to this spec, but you know, I can make it like that. But just the interior is so nice, with the seats sit really low and there's so much room in here. It's great. So thanks for watching guys, I hope you enjoyed this. I know that a lot of you said you guys want to see more track driving and track building and stuff like that. So yeah, I hope this is good, and have an absolutely amazing day. Shout out to Liddon Hill, and shout out to Track Car Giveaways for obviously putting me on the track day. So thanks for watching everyone, I love you all, and I'll see you next time.